Welcome to the corporate example. This example shows you a typical screen that will be displayed in corporate information. The template is composed mainly of a background always present, which is an image, a logo, a clock, and some text on the bottom. You can use HMD to edit the text directly on the fly, like changing the color, and you can see the effect on the preview window on the left. You can also use the preview window to move elements in the screen. The first element being displayed in this example is a playlist of images. You can control the transition between the images, the duration of the transition, and the duration of the images. The second example is a list of contacts. The contact can be edited directly in HMD, like you can change the text on the fly and see your effect on the preview window. The third example is a list of visits. The visits are described using an e-calendar file, but other formats are possible, like RSS, XML, text, comma separated. You can control the number of items to be displayed on a page. The next example shows you an example of a price list. There is a price list and a playlist of images. The price list is controlled using a comma separated file, when you can control the number of items that is displayed on one page. The next example shows typical directions, where it shows you different position of conference with different speakers. It's controlled by an XML file and 3 items per page. The layout can be controlled using special SpinetiX syntax. The next example shows you a news feed from RSS. The feed is coming directly from the internet. You can type your own feeds or use one of the pre-selected feeds. Just type the URI. The layout is controlled by the same SpinetiX syntax. The next example shows you a weather forecast. The weather forecast is coming from the Yahoo website. You can control the localization and the units. You can also control the icons used to display the weather and the description of the weather. So you can do one in your own language, for instance. The next example shows you stocks informations. The stocks is again coming from the Yahoo website. The list of stock to be displayed is controlled in the URI by using the set of letters corresponding to stock to be displayed. A custom parser in JavaScript has been designed to parse the data from the Yahoo website. The next example shows you live feeds coming directly from the internet. The live feed is controlled by an ASX file which connects directly to the address, which is the nasdaq.com website. This is the end of the example. Thank you for your attention.